My name is Abhay Masiwal. Currently, I am working as a scientist in Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. So, my topic of my poster is evaluating water quality of Ganga River by integrating satellite data as well as the in situ measurement. So, as we know, the civilizations usually build around the main rivers. So, but in nowadays, due to the rapid urbanization and industrializations, the river has lost its self purification capacity. So the water quality monitoring has become one of the key aspects. Traditionally, the water quality monitoring is being done using the in situ measurements. These are accurate but time consuming, spatially limited, and infrequent. So what we have tried integrating the satellite data with the field observation so that we can enhance the spatial and temporal resolution of these parameters. So as of the study area concerned, currently we are targeting Kanpur to Prayagraj stretch of the Ganga River, and for the study area we have targeted this. In methodology, we have done the qualitative as well as quantitative assessment. In qualitative assessment, we have targeted two indicative indices like turbidity index and the chlorophyll index. Turbidity index, we can see the graphs here, and the key takeaway from this section of the results would be in post monsoon we can see the sudden rise in the turbidity index. The main part or the novelty I would say will be the quantitative assessment, where we have targeted to determine the water quality parameters, uh, actual values of these parameter on the pixel level. So what we have done, we have tried to form a regression equation based on the satellite reflectance and the parameters. So we have targeted one optically active parameter and two optically inactive parameter. For optically active parameter, we can see the R square is very high, but for the other two parameter, the R square is very less. So for this, we are using ML machine learning based model or the hydrodynamic based water quality modeling. So as of conclusions, the integration of these two data sets give us the higher spatial resolution and temporal resolution. In future scenarios, we can use the machine learning and the hydrodynamic based water quality modeling, and further this will basically helps in decision support systems. So thank you so much.